Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam neared his demise, many people had gathered in his house. At that time, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Come close to me. I may write you a statement, so that you may not go astray after me." Some people said Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam is passing these remarks due to the severity of illness, whereas you have got the Holy Quran, so Allah's book is sufficient for us. So the people of the house opposed this idea, and there rose an altercation. Some of them said, "We should go near him to write for us a statement, so that we may not go astray after him." But some people floated some other thoughts. When this useless conflict became serious, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Get up from here." Ubaidullah says that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu would say, what a great calamity was it that some people, due to arousing conflict and passing useless remarks, intervened between Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the statement which he wished to write. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4432.